Hi guys, I'm just going to record a short video to show you how to create your online crypto wallet. And the one I'm going to create here is the one using the Metamask. The Metamask is a desktop wallet that you can use to store your crypto, or if you join our team, you can purchase, once you purchase your Ethereum from crypto.com or Coinbase, you have to transfer your Ethereum to your Metamask wallet, which is a desktop wallet, and it's a crypto wallet. And you have full control on this Metamask wallet. Nobody else has access to that. So now to get there, once you join my team, you will click the link right here, and that link will bring you to this metamask.io. So what you do is you download Metamask. As you can see, I've already downloaded here. So I already have the desktop wallet on my computer already. But basically you click right here, and it'll open up this website, the metamask.io, and you are going to click on download. So I can't really download it. And it works with Chrome, iPhones, or Android. This is for mobile devices. But on the mobile phones, I will not advise you to use the Metamask to join the Ether chain. So this is good for the desktop. So you must have the Chrome browser. If you don't have the Chrome browser on your computer, you can simply download that. So what you do is you just go to Google and say download Chrome. You click on that, and it should be right here. Right here, you can pick the first one right here. Download the Chrome browser. So once you download the Chrome browser, then come back to this right here. Once you join my team, you watch the first video here. Once you watch the first video and watch the second video, then you can come here and click either that or here, where I'm going to show you how to set up your Metamask. So just click on that, and then now download the extension. And once you download it, the most important thing is during the download process is setting up your account. They are going to give you a mnemonic. These are like it's a phrase, several words. These are for security purposes, so nobody can hack onto your wallet, and you have to remember those. So the best thing is either to write them down somewhere you cannot forget, and you cannot share those with anybody. Because if you share that with somebody can get to your wallet and empty your Ethereum, and you don't want that. So basically, that's one thing that you have to watch. So once you download this, the wizard is going to take you through setting up your account. So your name and all that, your email, and so you got to activate your account. It's free to set up the account. So once you download that, and the extension will be right here on Google Chrome or Firefox. All right, and then you can log into your wallet. So logging into your wallet, this is where you're going to store your crypto. So that should be straightforward. If you have any problem, just send me an email, and can help you set up your account. So you see, like, that's my account right there. accounts. I got several accounts. So I use this to store my Ethereum, and I can transfer my Ethereum from here to the Etherchain community and join. So once you purchase your Ethereums from, let's say, crypto.com or the Coinbase, then you can transfer the Ethereum to your wallet. I'll show you how to do that. And then from here, now you can automatically join the Etherchain. Okay? Alright guys, if you have any questions, just hit me up and I'll